Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. For today's makeup look, I'm gonna try the unapproachable makeup trend. So let's get started. So for today's base, I'm gonna use the harrooyy BB cream. I'm opening a fresh pack today. I just realized it looks pretty light, so I don't know if this is gonna be my color. Let's hope that it is. It looks good so far. I was cleaning out my bathroom today and I found all my cushion stash that I have, and I realized I have a lot of the harrooyy glow cushion, so I decided to use this cushion foundation today. This is an amazing glowing cushion foundation, by the way. I don't know why I didn't take out a new one sooner. I think it is definitely a bit too light. I might have to save this one for winter. Just going to quickly powder my face. Now let's move on to the eyes. I'm not gonna apply a lot of eyeshadow. So first I'm going to go with this taupe color, and I'm just going to apply this all over my eyes, blending it upwards. Same thing on this side. I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid, then blending it into my crease, and then feathering it out. With a smaller brush, I'm going to just apply on my lower lash line. Now I'm taking a gray gel liner, and I'm gonna use this to tightline my eyes. Truthfully, I could use my black gel pencil liner, but I need to sharpen that, and I don't have a sharpener. That is why I'm using gray. Now I'm going to take a dark brown with a liner brush, and I'm using this to line my eyes. I am gonna go in with the black, but I'm using the brown to give that more of a smoky look. And then following my lower lash line, I'm gonna give myself a wing. And then whatever's left on the brush, I'm gonna bring it down. Alright, I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, using the dark brown to line my eyes. And then I'm gonna follow the lower lash line to give myself a wing. Now with the gel pencil liner, I'm going to just fill in the waterline. I'm gonna use a brush to kind of smudge that out. Now I'm grabbing some on a brush, and I'm gonna use this to line my eyes. I would directly use a pencil to line my eyes, but as you can see, it's very dull and I don't have a sharpener right now. So I'm just gonna use a brush to line my eyes. I'm gonna use the white and this glitter color to highlight the inner corners. Now I'm just drawing the egg side. I'm taking the white again, and I'm just placing it right here as a highlight. Now for my lashes, I found these. I bought this from Daiso when I was in Korea, and I've never used them before, but I like how spiky they look. So I'm gonna use this today. I'm not going to apply mascara. I'm just gonna apply the lashes. If you're ever visiting Korea and you're going to the Daiso store, you need to check out their lashes. They have so many selections for lashes, and they are pretty good quality, and it's only $1, I think. Yeah, the lashes are only $1, which is so affordable. So if you're visiting Korea, definitely check out the lashes at Daiso. They are quite long, so I did have to cut these, but it's really pretty. I like it. This is how they look on. By the way, the lashes aren't black, it's actually brown, but you can't even tell. You can't even tell that they're brown. Okay, I think I'm done with my eyes. Let's move on to the rest of my face. I don't know what's wrong with me, but every time I try to do this like serious, unapproachable, baddie makeup, it just doesn't turn out right. Like, I don't look like I am unapproachable. I feel like I still look like a nice old lady down the street that bakes cupcakes and apple pies. A lot of people actually told me that no matter how much makeup I apply, I still like look like me, and I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, because like sometimes I do makeup not to look like myself, so the fact that I still look like myself even after I apply a lot of makeup, I don't think that's good. Also, I received 2 contact lenses by the brand Honey Color, so I'm gonna try both on and see which one looks good. One contact is blue and the other is, I think, brown or maybe gray. I'm very excited to try it because I've never tried blue contacts, so it'll be my first time. Okay, so I have the contacts here. I'm gonna throw on the blue one first, so I'll be back. So this is gray and this is blue. obviously, as you can see. They both give up like different vibes, so I don't know which one I want to go for. I think I'm gonna go with the gray one. I don't think the blue kind of goes with this look, so I'm gonna put the gray on this side. Alrighty, here is my final look. This is the Don't Approach Me makeup look. I don't even think I look unapproachable. Do I look unapproachable? Leave it in the comments. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me while I get ready. Please like this video and comment something that you can't live without. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!